it smells so good. The smell of diesel. So what year is this truck?
73.
No kidding. And did you guys buy this thing new?
No, it's just George Lyons is out of used out of Dorchester. We're the second owner. That was a little bit truck.
I mean, this thing looks better than brand new. Like, it looks like it's been sitting on a showroom its whole life.
That's how he is, taking care of it. Yeah. 08. When did you do this? 08? 08. We'll never see salt, though. Never, ever.
So what do you guys drive in the salt?
The green one, or we just don't work.
Oh, yeah.
As simple as that.
Yeah, that's smart.
When you have no payments, you can do things like that.
Yeah, right. You do all the buffing work?
Everything. Those are when they made the best trucks right there, brother.
Yeah, early 70s. So what do you call, I mean, obviously it's an air...
It's a far box.
Far box,
Yeah.
okay. Well, I see it.
Yeah, far.
Far. We say
Yeah.
far here. And the mirrors are off of white? I like that.
That's how they used. Yeah, that's
Really?
what the motor companies.
White auto.
Yeah.
It's a white Autocar, right?
Yeah.
Oh, no kidding.
Yeah. White motors bought auto. 87, 88 was the last good auto car.
Now, what's the deal with the fenders that are square
That's just a pit style, Mike.
pit style?
Yeah, pit style. They call them.
Look at the bolts. Like, they're shine. They all shine.
Yeah, we buffed them all before we put them.
Wait, what do you say? I gotta get. What'd you say?
Those fenders, I think we repaired them. Them were original. Weren't they, John?
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah, those were. We didn't have to repair place them. The hood we did. That's a new hood.
So,
We had it framed.
did you start this business yourself?
My father did.
Your
They
father.
started in 1930.
What was your father's name?
Jim.
Jim.
I got pictures of them here. There was 5 brothers. We had 100 acres of land here, you know. See that old shovel northwest? Put the light on if you want. That's him in that picture.
Right there?
So that Inslee back, he's right in the middle there.
That's your dad right there?
To
Or
the
there?
right. Yeah, right
Oh,
there.
yeah.
Yeah.
No kidding.
Yeah. He was in the fruit business. They were farmers here.
Now, what style Mac is that?
That's a pop, let me call that Mac. BM.
No kidding. BM.
Yeah.
So what's like a 20s?
That's in the
30s?
30s, yeah. Middle 30s, late 30s.
That's crazy. You guys have some history here.
They've been working them a long time here. Wow. So those are backhoe trucks.
I'm gonna take a peek of the inside. Do I need to take my shoes off?
Yeah.
Wait, I can't reach. Oh! Wow. Dude, seriously. I like that you don't even have an air ride seat in it.
No air ride, no AC, no nothing.
No AC?
Just dull, man.
You guys are so old school. Ah, oh, so nice. Look at that old wheel. Oh, this is so cool. Got 13 speed. What do we got here? What are these 3 switches right here in the middle? Oh,
that's the, one of them's defroster, one of them's like the control
okay.
thing for like on a car would have it, and then
Okay.
that's a vent right there.
That's your PTO.
Yep.
Throttle.
Yep.
Wipers.
That's for your trailer brakes. That's how they did it back then.
This right here in the middle?
Yeah, you know,
this
you
right
have
there?
a red button for your
Yep.
trailer. That's that.
Do you have a power divider or is that
Yep.
right here?
Yep.
Okay.
Power divider's there. Dry road, slippery road.
Does that work?
Yeah, everything works in this thing.
Okay.
You name it, it works.
Look at even the signal light is chrome.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wow.
It's the
Look at
only-
that.
Yeah.
Look at that. That's
the
so
only,
cool. Is that custom?
Yeah.
That's really cool.
Friend Andrew made
So you got a wigwag in it?
Yeah.
No? Ear horn. That's your air horn?
Yep.
That's pretty cool. God, that wheel is so awesome. Look at this. Look at the ashtray.
Yeah.
The door.
Not what you had.
Back when real truckers smoked.
Yeah.
Never all health conscious.
Yeah.
Wow. This is awesome. Oh, okay, so you don't have any spot mirrors off the big mirrors.
No.
You got them down there on the
Just
hood.
have them down there.
Yeah, I can't even see that one. That's funny. And what's under the hood?
350 Cummins.
350 Cummins?
Yep.
Wait, so you got a tractor brake. Where's the trailer brake?
Right there. That's for your trailer.
Oh, that's your trailer
Yeah,
brake?
That's how you put air to your trailer.
No kidding.
Yep. That's how they did it back then.
That's how they did it back then, but you're still doing it.
Yeah, I am.
And what's the year on this truck right here?
71.
So they're both 71s.
No, that one's a 73. This is
Okay.
71. Yep.